Look at it, guys. Wow, this is really nice. Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching me from. My name is Blessing. So in today's video, I'll be doing the unboxing of this water heater. Like I said in my previous video, I used to buy most of my things on eBay. I got this on eBay too. It's a water heater. It has a LED light. Like anytime you are boiling, heating the water, the LED light will come out. So let's unbox it. This, like, nobody uses manual anymore. So guys, this is the heater. So guys, look, this is nice. I actually love the color. And this too. So I'm going to be eating some water. Let me see if the LED light will display, because I don't know. But it's written on the manual that it has a LED. So I'm really not sure. I don't know until I'm able to fix it. So come with me, guys. So I'm trying to eat some water. Let me see if the LED will display according to the description. I'm not sure yet, but I have to wait so to be sure if it truly has LED or not. So come with me, guys. So guys, it's true, it has LED. You guys can see it. As the water is heating, the LED is coming. Like you can see the LED blue or purple. I think it's blue color. So I'm thinking it has only this color. I'm really not sure what. I'm loving this. I think I like it.